You guys both in the picture?
Yeah.
So another double barrel chug. Mountain Dew edition. Remember, get them both in your mouth. Don't spill.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Spilled a little bit. Good one. Okay, it's got I have one left. I kind of like only got a little bit out of this one. Let me finish it though. I'll do a good burp for you.
Oh. This is easier than the Fresca. Master. Alright, finish your chug. You all done?
Yep.
Still a little swallow in that one. No, the other one.
The other one?
Yep.